Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in with me today. I have a special video for you guys. So like I mentioned last time, I am doing a unboxing video today. So what I have with me today is a Murray by Polymer Salon or Fendent keys, whichever one you guys prefer. So this is a pretty special one. I won a giveaway that he hosted last November, and it just got to me today, so I'm pretty excited to go ahead and open it up. It is my first Murray keycap, so I'm excited to see like what these look like, what the quality is. So I'm pretty excited. I've been waiting for so many months to open this up to like finally have it in my hand. So let's see what we have here. So I'm just gonna cut through it a little bit. Not sure if you guys can hear that crispy scissor sound or not. Oh my god, it's in a really cute pink little bag. It looks almost like a treat bag or like, a little gift bag. I love it. It matches with the colorway of the keycap because the one I won is like a light pink color, or so it looked like in the picture, so we'll see about that. So I'm opening it up, and it comes in like one of these cute little tiny containers. Like I'm not sure honestly if these are like made for Artisan keycaps or if they're like the little lotion, like carry-on cases or lotion holders or something. I'm not too sure, but I'm excited anyways. And it's wrapped up in a cute like tiny gold wrapping paper, so that's a nice touch. Usually sometimes people will just like throw them in an envelope and that's it. So opening it up right now, not sure if you guys can hear this crinkly ASMR going on. Oh wow, oh, this is super cute. So this Murray, it's a very light like blush cotton candy pink. It's like almost white, and it has like a jewel in one of its eyes. It's like a pink little like gemstone, and it's very freaking cool. I'm gonna hold it up here. Just give me one sec. Here you go. Hopefully the camera will focus in on it. Oh, sorry. I know I know that's gonna be like everyone's pet peeve is like me not being able to focus anything. I am trying, but anyways, I'll post a picture of it later. It's very cool. I've never had a Murray key. It's like an encapsulated skull. So if you look at the side, the skull is like a little profile skull. No, can you not see it? No. Oh my god, this is the worst. Like, just focus. Oh, it had it there for a second. Maybe. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. Like, you can kind of see, like just pause the video, you'll be able to see it. Sorry. But anyways, it's a cool keycap. Like, there's minimal designs on the skull. It does have like nice rounded out eyes, like you can see the little nose indent and like a bunch of like long teethies going on, but I think it's very cool. Like I said, never had a Murray key, so I wasn't sure what I was expecting really, and I really like this. I love the color. Like, you guys know me, I'm a sucker for pink keycaps, so it's pretty cool. Like, I like a lot of like blank style keycaps. Like, it's not necessarily a blank because it does have like encapsulation going on, but I just like smooth keycaps a lot. I like how simple they can be, but like how nice they look at the same time. I love like everything going on. There's like no bubbles. Like, oh, you know what? I didn't notice this. I don't think I see a maker's mark anywhere on the back side of the keycap. Like, okay, yeah, like the camera's focusing in on that. Like, it's not showing up with anything, so it's a little strange to me. but it still looks very cool. I was following, like, you know, some of his geek hack threads, and I think that he's going to stop making the Murray and like move on to other sculpts and stuff. So that's pretty cool, knowing that I have like one of the last like Murray colorways. So it was definitely worth the wait, I'll have to say that. And I just keep looking at it because I'm like inspecting it, like, because I've never had one of these keycaps. I have seen Murray keycaps in person, but you know, never had one of my own. And it's pretty cool. I'm always blown away how keycap artists always do like the encapsulation kind of effect. I think it's sick. Like prime caps, they have amazing like stuff going on with their albumin, like prime caps and ETF together, their collab. I think it's sick, and this is, you know, kind of reminiscent of it. I think it's a very cool keycap, well worth the wait. I love the way that it was packaged, you know, a cute little like pink gift bag with the tiny little holder. If I put it in there by itself, it looks nice too. It won't like okay, it says rattle around a bit. I'm not gonna rattle it around, but you guys get the idea. Kind of a short video today. I was only going to unbox this, but yeah, hope everyone's having a good day. I am having a pretty good day so far. I felt like dressing up today, so as you can see, you know, I did the works. I don't know what I want to do with this channel. Like, I do want to focus on stuff that I love, like, you know, mechanical keyboards and keycaps and all that kind of stuff. But I also do really love, you know, just like showing my makeup looks, showing my outfits. So I'm not really sure what direction to go, or if like people wouldn't mind having a mix of the two, or should I make like a separate channel. I'm not really sure, because I would like to showcase some of my outfits, because I do have my hands on a bunch of like vintage 90s clothing, like this whole set that I'm wearing today. Or yeah, I'm not really sure what direction to go with it, because like I would like to do in-depth like, oh, I don't know, steal my or raid my closet kind of look or whatever. But I'm just not sure how well like these two like different hobbies would mesh together. So, I don't know, leave me a comment or message me or something. Let me know what you think. But yeah, that was basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.